Problem number 10. Two fair number cubes with faces numbered 1 through 6 are rolled. What is the probability of rolling a 1 on the first cube and an even number on the second cube? So probability of rolling a 1 and an even number. That will be equal to the probability of rolling a 1 times the probability of rolling an even number. Probability of rolling a 1 on the first cube is 1 out of 6, or 1/6, because there's only one 1, but 6 possible outcomes. The probability of rolling an even number on the second cube is 3 out of 6, because there are 3 even numbers, 2, 4, and 6, and 6 possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Simplifying that fraction, we get 1/2. So the probability of rolling a 1 and getting an even number is 1/6 times 1/2, and top times top, bottom times bottom, that's 1 over 12, 1/12. Number 11, which expression is represented by the model below? So the model well, looking at the key, the white circles are +1 and the black circles are -1. So I have 6 and, or plus 2 negatives, 6 plus a -2. And that matches answer choice B, 6 positives plus 2 negatives. And number 12, which of the following will give you the next number in this pattern? So we want to see how are we getting from the previous number to the next number. What's happening there? Looks like +5. Let's make sure that continues to work. -7 plus 5 is -2. -2 plus 5 is +3, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So it looks like we add 5 to the previous number. And we could go through those other answer choices to double check our work. On number 13, it says below is a table comparing Chinese yuan with US dollars. And it asks which formula can be used to convert from yuan to dollars. So we're going to use some of the numbers they've given us, like these. So $15 equals 100 yuan times 0.05, and we'll see if that's true. 100 times 0.05. Remember, whenever you're multiplying with decimals, you just ignore the decimal at first. So right now it's like I'm multiplying 100 times 5, which is 500. And then we look for how many decimal places in each of our factors. There are 0 decimal places here. There are 2 decimal places here, 2 digits after the decimal. So I need 0 plus 2, or 2 decimal places in my answer. So my decimal would go right there. So 15 yuan, or 100 yuan, would equal $5, not $15. So let's try the next one. Well, I know I'm not going to divide by 0.05. That's going to give me a larger number. So I'm going to rule that one out and try the next one. Yuan times 0.15. So 15 equals 100 times 0.15. 100 times 0.15. I need more room for this. 100 times 0.15. 0, 0, 5. Now I'm in the tens place, so I start with a 0. 0, 0, 1. Adding those, I get 0 decimal places here, 2 decimal places here, so I need 2 decimal places in my answer. So 100 yuan does equal $15. So there's the correct answer. And you would take your time if you had extra time, and you would try the other two, but they work out as well. Okay, we'll pick up the review with problem 14 on the next video.